Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You will start by preparing the environment and launching Cursor AI so it can access your code. Open your project and run your local dev server, then install and sign into Cursor. Once done, select the file or component you want Cursor to assist with and enable the overlay or editor integration. This lets Cursor read context and suggest edits. Make sure to give the extension permission only to the project scope. Now you're ready to ask your first focused prompt to generate or refactor code. You'll now drive Cursor with precise prompts that include framework and file context. Tell it what component, function, or bug to fix. Once Cursor proposes inline suggestions, review diffs and accept or reject pieces selectively. If a suggestion misses the mark, ask for alternatives or constraints like performance or accessibility. Make small iterative edits and run your tests or linters after each change so you catch regressions early. This back and forth is how Cursor helps produce reliable, maintainable code. You finish by validating changes, run end-to-end tests, build the app, and inspect UI or console logs. Commit only the changes that pass verification with concise messages describing Cursor's role. If you hit merge conflicts or unexpected behavior, ask Cursor to propose a resolution or generate a focused patch, then retest. If suggestions appear irrelevant, reload Cursor, reindex the project, and clear cache so it has fresh context. Make sure to keep a human review step before merging to main.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.